In this video, we'll discuss basic calculations of square roots. Let us look at another example. Let's say we have a square root of 100 minus the square root of 36. And let's compare that to taking the square root of 100 minus 36. So in our first example, the square root of 100 is 10. And the square root of 36 is 6. So it will be 10 minus 6, which is equal to 4. But in our second example, we first do the calculation inside of the square root. So 100 minus 36 is 64. And the square root of 64 is 8. So notice again, even though we are using similar values, the answers are different. And the reason is, in our first example, we first need to find the values of two square roots separately. And in our second example, we first do the calculation inside of the square root and then find the square root of a value.